Hi guys, we are still discussing about the AZ-104, that's the Azure Administrator exam. So if you are planning to write the exam, the AZ-104, definitely I will advise you to always try to get your hands on lab. So we have a question that you may actually see in your exam, and the question says you are planning to deploy an Ubuntu Server virtual machine to your company's Azure subscription. You are required to implement a custom deployment that include adding a particular trusted root certification authority. Which of the following should you use to create the virtual machine? So here we are given 4 different commands we can actually use. Well, it is advisable to always try to do some investigation yourself on the internet. Well, I tried the investigation, and I come up with the following command. So let's go to our portal and let's try to create something. So what I did is I actually started my PowerShell. You can actually start it from here. You can start your Cloud Shell. You can see at this moment we are actually in the Bash environment. That's the Cloud Shell environment. So I'm going to create, first of all, I want to create a resource group. I'm going to use the following command to create a resource group. Let me just paste this there. Oh, I think there's an error message there. Let me just delete this, and then let me just paste this. Okay, here we have the following command, which says the AZ group create. Then as the name of the resource group I'll be creating, and then we just need to hit enter, and then you can see it goes actually very fast. And now if I go to my environment here, at this moment you can see we don't have the group I just created as the AZ-104 server 001. It's not among this list. These are my different resource group. So if I do a refresh, I think we just need to do some refresh again. And here we go. I think is there. Okay, here we go. Here is my resource group I just created, and now you can see that the resource group is empty. We don't have any resources in this resource group. So now I'm going to use the following command. This command, let me try to paste and see if everything goes well. Okay, you can see I'm using the AZ-VM create, and then the resource group is going to be this group we created before now, and then the name, then we're going to enter the following value, the name. I'm going to enter this virtual machine. That's the Ubuntu server. Then I'm going to use the custom data simple bash.cs is going to generate an SS key. And then we can actually then use the custom data cloud init.txt. So here you can see the question says, if I go back again to the question, which says you are required to implement a custom deployment that includes adding a particular trusted root certificate. So we can use the init file to actually add, the trusted root certificate if using that init file. So let me just go back again to my cloud and then hit enter. So this is going to take some time to create, and if you see that the SS key is being generated. So here I can actually go here and decide to do some refresh to see if the resources are now being created. That may take some time. You can see it is running, so let's just wait for that to get created. We can also do a refresh, and let's just wait for some seconds. So if I do a refresh again, it's going to take some few time before this will be created, because if I go back again, oh, I think I'm on the wrong, okay, no, that's the right one, So if I go back again, you can see it has been created, but it's going to take some time because this is actually a Linux server. So it's going to take some time to create all the different components, your network components, everything will be created in this resource group. So let's try to do a refresh again and see. So it's still trying to. So here we go. I just did a refresh, and you can see that the there's the VM name, that's the name of the Ubuntu we just created as a virtual machine, and then you can see all the different type. For example, the network security group, the public IP address, the network interface which has been created. Then if you click on the virtual machine, here you can see it says running, and then we have that's a Linux Ubuntu virtual machine, and it is ready. So we can decide to connect to this virtual machine using remote desktop. Here, okay, well, we didn't actually configure that, so we can use the SSL to connect, or the native SSH or SSH using the Azure command line interface. So for right now, you can see that then your answer to this question is going to be the AZ-VM create command, which of course you can see here we use the AZ-VM create command. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related videos.